Welcome back. We are at our Tequila Sunrise HW project. It has been about a month since we've been here, but as you can see, a lot can happen in a month.
All of the hardwood floors are now installed. They're covered with protective covering. The kitchen cabinetry is going in. All of the tile work in the bathrooms is well underway.
You'll see lots of piles of cabinetry well covered and well taken care of throughout the house because different pieces of millwork or built-ins that are coming have been delivered, but they haven't been installed yet.
We are well on our way to completion, so we are hoping another month or two to be installing furniture, believe it or not. So here we are in front of what will be our beautiful and integrated open concept kitchen. We love utilizing custom cabinetry. We actually integrated the hardware. So instead of doing hardware that's just added on after the cabinetry is finished, we designed it to be long integrated poles. We actually, again, site visits caught a few details. We want the double pull all along the front facade of the island. And it's challenging when hinges are opening, there has to be enough clearance. We want the same spacing. So we have to kind of put our minds together to figure out how it can be done so that it looks exactly as it should and it functions correctly.
Tiny details that matter, I would say, because this will be the overhang part of the island where your counter stools will be. No one else will really see it, but we usually do some extra storage under there because why not? You have the space usually. In this case, the integrated poles are not correct, and even though they're going to be hidden behind the stools, we still want them to be correct, so we will go back.
Devil is in the details.
Yes.
Yeah. For our guest bathroom, we're very excited. We are actually doing some spectacular onyx slabs, fully cladding the shower walls, and also we did a custom curb that's mitered and seamless and beautiful.
Our primary bath is almost done being tiled. The whole vanity wall is up, the whole floor is up. You will see that we were able to achieve the curbless entry that we were trying to achieve on our last site visit, but we did not know if it was going to be possible. Primarily because this house is close to the water and there's helical pilings under the home, so we didn't know how low we could dig. But they worked it out, the contractor's amazing. We have a beautiful, nice slope in there instead of a curb, and the tile work looks amazing.
Looks great. All of the walls are tiled, the vanity wall, and the rest of the shower walls are going up now. We've already obviously had our grout in our schedule, so they are rolling in there. So the bunk bath we're really excited about. We actually have a square mosaic that's made out of recycled glass, and we did a really fun phrase. It's actually surf naked. So our project manager actually, we usually do a template and go through on the computer, but he was really excited and antsy, and this is great when you work with the same team members that have the same passion and fervor for the job as you do. He literally picked apart the mosaics and literally created it, which you'll see. So it's ready to go. It looks amazing. Everything's laying out perfect. That's gonna be the feature wall over the terrazzo clad bathtub in the bunk bathroom. And it's like super killer. We're really excited.
So follow along with us because the next time we bring you back will probably be when we're getting ready to install furniture.
That'll be exciting. You don't want to miss out. So make sure and subscribe so you can be with us when we're doing our install. It'll be beyond exciting. That's when all the magic happens.